After everything is done, I'm back outside.
I'm back outside.
Cute.
Nigga that
Made me mad. Yeah. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Audrey. You can call me Adore, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you're notified every time your girl posts another bomb video, period. And if you're not new, hey girl, hey. If you see by the title, this is a summer maintenance routine, and y'all, I've been going through it. I done had these braids in for about a month and some change. My nails aren't done. I got 2 band-aids on my finger because I cut myself. Like, it's just, lashes ain't been lashing, and I'm a lash tech. Like, this is embarrassing. So this is my summer maintenance routine, and best believe after everything is done, I'm back outside. Nigga that made me mad. Yeah, we are going to be getting our hair done, nails done, toes done, lashes done, everything done. And yeah, and I'm just gonna take y'all along with me. The first thing we're gonna get taken care of, because I do it already myself, is my hair, y'all. Like I said, these braids gotta go, honey. Look at that. You know you done kept them in too long when the roots is white. I've been going through it. For real. I just been going through it. But yeah, we're gonna start with taking these braids out, and then we're gonna go from there.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas around me, pride of the guy. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. 2-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, pride of the guy. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by.
What's up, y'all? So it is the next day, and before y'all even come for me right now, no, I don't. My hair is not done. I had to finesse it because I do have a lash appointment, and I'm on the way there now. It's at 11. It's currently 10:43, and I'm like 15 minutes away. But yeah, no, don't have my lashes on. My hair is not done. I just feel like I got so much to do and not enough time to do it. I look crazy right now, but y'all just have to get up with me. Get up with me. This is a new lash tech, so I'm a little worried. And then like she gave me all these directions on like how to get to the place, so I'm a little nervous because I'm gonna be hitting there. I'm gonna be getting there like right at 11, and I just know like when you got all them directions, I'm gonna be there a little late. Yeah, I'm driving right now there, and so I'm gonna just see y'all when I get there.
Welcome to Eternal Return.
I turned to an addict, I brought me a paddock, I brought her a baby one. Yeah, I brought me a Maybach, came with 2 doors, yeah, that's the Mercedes for sure. I stay with the baddest, I'm counting the cabbage while making my lady come. I brought a G-Wagon, that shit was a rabbit, that's why I be racing. Yeah, we brought the 4-door, had to get ready for war.
Okay, y'all, so the lashes are done. Tell me I don't, hold on, tell me I don't look like a whole new bitch with lashes. Like, whole new bitch, wig not even on, I still look like a whole new bitch. But yeah, she was so sweet. She sent me my lash map and everything. Like, I love her. So yeah, the lashes is done. Now we're about to go in here and finish our hair, because while I do our hair, I just already feel so complete. Like, I feel so complete, so pretty. The lashes eat, y'all. Lashes is eating. I feel like now I'm getting back to my regular paid program. And yeah, they're eating. So I'm in love. Like, let's just take a moment, because let's just take a moment. Are you kidding me? Spikes and all, stop. I got a package from Fashion Nova that I need to open with y'all. And don't mind my hair, I'm just feeling myself right now. So yeah, let's go inside. This is wigless Aja. It's 7 p.m. Fry. 95 degrees. I ain't got no nigga, ain't got me.
You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I make my mind that it's always trials and tribulations. Child. Kissing in Paris, I guess we could do it in French. Wow. Eating low maintenance, child for now. Child. She got me wildin' out. Rory Italia, child for now. Child. Yeah, she making that shake, breaking that back till her back break. Wow, yeah. Crazy how you managed to make me into a sponsor. You got me paying for shit. You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I make my mind that it's always trials and tribulations. Child. She don't want Hallmark, she want Amex, and I'm inclined.
So I never came back and showed y'all my hair, but this is her. Oh, this is the hair. I just have it straight right now, but I'm really thinking about crimping it, because I just feel like crimps or curls would really eat. Like if I just, let me show y'all, like, let me see. I don't know, crimps or curls, y'all. Let me know in the comments below which one would eat better, crimps, curls, or straight. But I already know I'm not gonna keep it straight. So it is a few days later. Go me. And I'm all dressed. Not really all dressed, but I have until 1:30 to get ready. And what I'm about to do is, guess, I'm about to go get my nails done, period. And I have a little surprise coming with it because I've never done it before. Let me show y'all the inspo for the nails, and y'all tell me what y'all think. It is June, so I don't know if I want to give summery vibes, but I'm really in love with this set right here. Yes, like, as soon as I seen that set on Instagram, I like just instantly fell in love. So I want to do something like that. However, the girl I go to, I do let her freestyle, so I'm gonna show her that inspo, and she gonna do what she do because she do it best, you know, you feel me? I had a whole outfit that I wanted to do and wear and everything like that, but like, I'm just not feeling the vibes to like get extra cute to go get my nails done. I don't know, I'm just not feeling the vibes right now. So yes, the hair eats though. Is it giving Scalpiana or what? Hold on. Ooh. Is it giving Scalpiana or what? Hair done, nails done. Hair done, nails done, everything did. Is it giving? Huh? I'm back outside. Huh? Nigga that made me mad. I don't know, but make sure you follow me on TikTok because I do have like a few transition videos that I'm trying to do. My TikTok is Aja Uncensored, just like my YouTube. So make sure you know, follow me on TikTok and do what I do. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all when we get in the car.
You do whatever you want. Okay. Listen, I trust you, girl.
this always. Trials and tribulations. Child. Kissing in Paris, I guess we could do it in French. Wow. Eating low main, it's child for now. Child. She got me wildin' out. Rory Italia, child for now. Child. Yeah, she making that shake, breaking that back till her back break. Wow. Yeah. Crazy how you managed to make me into a.
Okay, y'all, so I am finished with my nail appointment. Of course, my camera died in the middle of me getting my nails done. But these, I'm trying not to do too much. These are the nails. And I got some henna. Like, what? Who you know? Who you know? Yeah, so I'm already fucking it up though, because look at this. I'm already fucking it up, but it looks so good. And look at the nails, like, stop. But anyways, I'm on the way back home. She told me, like, when I'm going home, stick my arm out the window or something so that it could dry. And don't peel it if I want it to last. But I don't know if I want it in my bed. Yeah, who you know? Get into the details on the nails though. Hold on. Get into the detail on the nails though. Who you know? But yeah, I'm about to go home, baby. I'm riding real cute. Like, who you know? But I'm about to ride home. And I'm gonna catch y'all when I get back home because I don't know what else I'm gonna do from here. What's up, y'all? So I'm back and y'all are probably like, girl, what happened? Like, you look crazy. I know I look crazy. Once them lashes start looking like this, they're coming out, and they did that kind of fast. So I ended up taking my lashes off. This is like a week later though, so. But I'm gonna go ahead and close this video out. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what other videos you want me to do down below. And get ready for the consistency because she is here and she is me. So yeah, I hope you guys loved it, and I'll see you guys next time.